How to make the decorative painting at home look beautiful. Tell me 2 scenarios: sofa wall and porch. Painting sizes are simply divided into large and small. So, here's the idea. You can extend to photo walls, dining room walls, and other places. So it's the same when you stand in front of the painting, the triptych, on the sofa wall. According to the size of the painting, pay attention to the screenshots. You can use 3 24-degree beams of light. It can also be 36 degrees in the middle, 24 degrees on both sides. The distance from the wall is the same as above. If the size of a single painting is relatively large, you need 2 spotlights. Choose the 36-degree beam of light angle. The 2 lights are 60 to 80 centimeters apart. I want to take a better picture. You have to consider the painting. Type in hue to choose the color temperature. Most people will choose 3000 and 4000 color temperatures for the lamps I sell. 3005 in the middle is also popular. The color temperature of Chinese painting is slightly higher. Oil painting uses a slightly lower color temperature. Chinese painting pays attention to uniformity and brightness. Oil paintings use spotlight lamps. If you still want to embroider patterns, send the beam of light to the highlight or focus of the painting. This will call out the subject. It is more commonly seen in commercial spaces. Attract attention. Let me end with a question. What lighting do you want to see next time?